Ever found yourself scrambling for ice during a summer party, only to discover your freezer trays are empty or the store-bought bags have melted into a soggy mess? It's a frustration we've all faced. Whether hosting a barbecue, chilling drinks on an RV adventure, or crafting cocktails for a cozy night in, this Silonn Countertop Ice Maker swoops in to save the day, delivering 9 perfectly formed bullet ice cubes in just 6 minutes and up to 26 pounds in 24 hours. This sleek, black portable ice machine is a game-changer for anyone who loves convenience, speed, and refreshing drinks without the hassle. As a kitchen gadget enthusiast who's tested everything from blenders to air fryers, I can confidently say this countertop ice maker stands out for its compact design, whisper-quiet operation, and smart features that make it a must-have for modern homes, parties, or on-the-go lifestyles. What makes the Silonn a cut above the rest is not just about churning out ice. It's about doing it smarter, faster, and with style. At just 13 pounds with a flip-up handle, it's portable enough for RV camping, office break rooms, or holiday gatherings. The 1.2L water tank ensures steady production, while the self-cleaning function keeps your ice pure and fresh with minimal effort. Plus, it operates at a hushed 45 dB, so it won't drown out conversations or disrupt your Netflix binge. With 2 ice sizes, small for quick-chill drinks or large for slow-melting cocktails, this portable ice machine adapts to your needs, making it perfect for everything from smoothies to spritzers. Let's break down why the Silonn Ice Maker deserves a spot in your kitchen or RV. Lightning-fast ice production. Produces 9 bullet ice cubes in 6 minutes, with a daily capacity of 26 pounds. Whether you're hosting a crowd or sipping solo, this countertop ice maker ensures you're never short on ice, eliminating the need for store-bought bags. Smart and user-friendly. Intuitive indicators alert you when the basket is full or water is low, keeping operation seamless. Choose between small or large ice cubes for versatile drink options, from iced coffee to party pitchers. Compact and travel-ready. Measuring 9.3 inch by 11.4 inch by 11.1 inch and weighing only 13 pounds. It's designed for portability. The flip-up handle makes it easy to carry to picnics, tailgates, or campsites, making it the ultimate portable ice machine for any adventure. Durable with easy maintenance. Crafted from food-grade PP material, it's built to last and safe for daily use. The self-cleaning function is a breeze. Add water, press a button, and drain, ensuring fresh, clean ice every time. Whisper-quiet operation. At just 45 dB, it's quieter than most kitchen appliances, so you can enjoy fresh ice without the noise disrupting your home, office, or RV environment. The benefits are undeniable. First, it saves you money by eliminating the need for bagged ice, which often comes with impurities or melts before you use it. Second, it's a time saver, producing ice faster than any freezer tray or bulky machine I've tested. Third, it's eco-friendly, reducing plastic waste from store-bought ice while using minimal energy. Beyond the basics, here's a fresh tip. Use the small cubes for homemade ice packs to soothe sore muscles, or pair it with a smart plug to schedule ice making for your morning smoothie routine. These hacks elevate the Silonn from a simple appliance to a lifestyle upgrade. Who's it for? The Silonn Countertop Ice Maker is perfect for busy families stocking coolers for game day, party hosts keeping drinks chilled, RV campers craving convenience on the road, or home bartenders perfecting craft cocktails. Its sleek black design blends into any kitchen aesthetic, and its compact size fits even the smallest countertops. Compared to competitors, it's lighter, quieter, and more intuitive, making it a standout in the portable ice machine market. For those searching for the best countertop ice maker, this checks all the boxes. Speed, portability, and ease of use. It's not just about ice. It's about elevating your hosting game, simplifying your adventures, and enjoying drinks the way they're meant to be. Ice cold and refreshing. Don't let another gathering or trip be ruined by an ice shortage. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make this Silonn Ice Maker yours today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.